In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone 15 Pro Max to Apple Watch Series 10. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you specific instructions on how to properly set up and pair up your Apple Watch Series 10 watch with an iPhone 15 Pro Max. But keep in mind that these instructions will apply for any other model of iPhone or Apple Watch that you have. You will be able to follow these same steps to connect any model with any iPhone. So to begin, make sure that both devices are powered on and sufficiently charged. When you power on your Apple Watch, usually this will automatically give you the prompt to connect it on your iPhone. So the first time that you power on your Apple Watch and you put it in close proximity of your iPhone, there should be a notification or pop-up telling you to set up that watch. If you don't see this pop-up, or if you would like to do it manually, all that you have to do is open the Apple Watch app. Usually it is going to be labeled Watch. So when you open this application on your iPhone 15 Pro Max or any other device, you will be able to set up the Apple Watch for yourself. So tap the first option, and usually what is going to happen is that it is going to open your camera and tell you to point it towards the Apple Watch. So there will be some sort of pattern or indicator in the watch screen itself, and when you point the camera of your iPhone 15 Pro Max towards the Apple Watch Series 10, it is going to be picked up and successfully connected. So now you can set up the text size and a lot of other design options. You will be able to customize everything. You can choose between the watch faces, set up features like Apple Pay, customize the notifications, and see all of the applications that are available for your watch. As long as both devices were powered on and are in close proximity, you will be prompted to automatically connect them, or you can use the Apple Watch app and scan it using your camera. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone 15 Pro Max to Apple Watch Series 10. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.